Okay, today I'm in Busch Gardens in Williamsburg for a little event, the Apollo Chariot roller coaster 20th anniversary. Apollo Chariot is a really good roller coaster here, so I think they're going to do some park exclusives like some fun snacks and some exclusive merch. So it's a pretty good day. We're going to go ride some rides and probably hit up some of those exclusive snacks. Okay, we're in the park. It's an overcast day, but it feels really good. It's supposed to feel really nice today. I think it's supposed to get up to like 79 or something like that. The park's not too crowded yet, but we're gonna go ride some rides. Uh-oh, first treat of the day. Should we go get a donut? I think we shall.
Oh my, that's just too big.
Oh my gosh, that is so big. It's huge. It's the giant donut for the Apollo Chariot anniversary event. I think we're gonna try it. It is really big though. It's a little burn. I don't know. I don't know yet.
They're so pretty.
So here's the donut for the Apollo's Chariot event. It looks a little too big. Here's a regular size donut just for measure. It is like 10 of those in one, so we might just get a regular donut. So I think instead we're gonna get one of these maple bacon donuts because they look a little bit better. Alright, so we just found one of the exclusive snacks for the Apollo's Chariot event. It was that giant donut. To be honest, it didn't really look that good. It looked a little burned. It looked like maybe it had been sitting there for a little bit. So we opted to get something else. We got this bacon donut, which looks really good. So we're really excited to try it. You want to be the first? How is it?
Very good.
Is it good? Can I buy it off it? Alright, let's see. That is pretty good. I like it. It's probably better than what that giant donut was going to be. Alright. Nice little treat of the day. Let's go ride some rides. The famous Busch Clydesdales. I'm gonna go ride Lock and Sponsor, first ride of the day. Hopefully we don't throw up that donut we just ate. I'm gonna go ride Loch Ness. Alright, I just got off Loch Ness. I don't think I can do these roller coasters anymore. I must be getting old because I'm so dizzy. It made me so sick. There's kind of a long line. It looks like there's a good amount of people here. I think because they opened not too long ago, maybe a few weekends ago. But I don't know. I think we're gonna go let my niece ride a few more roller coasters and I might just set this next one out. There's construction for the brand new ride, Finnegans Flyer. It opens next month, I think, or maybe in May. I don't know if I'll be riding that one either, though. It looks pretty intense.
I think I'd ride it.
It's the new ride. Ooh, this will be fun in Water Country. Water coaster. Going into Ireland. Beautiful bald eagles. There's so many of them. They're just kind of chilling out. They do have a few animals here at Busch Gardens. It is fun to see them. Some Virginia native animals.
Development of their unmistakable white-headed tail feathers of adult plumage is gradual.
Some wolves over here.
Completed by 4 or 5 years of age. In immature birds, the head and tail are brownish black, like the body. Eagles,
We're gonna buy some nectar and go into the bird aviary so they hopefully eat right out of our hands. Okay, we just got our nectar. Gonna go into the aviary. Hopefully we don't get attacked. Thank you. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Look how pretty though. Oh my goodness, this is a little crazy. This is more than I bargained for, but it's really cute. Oh my gosh, there's one on my shoulder, you just can't see it. Oh, it's on my head, it's on my head.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, this is kind of crazy.
Yeah, they've been using me as a platform.
Gosh, okay, I don't know.
They really like food.
Oh, poor thing, I don't want to step on them. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're really sweet. Look at this. They're so cute.
Look at Mama.
This is scary. I kind of want them
You want me to
off.
take it? You want me to take it? Oh my gosh! You took my whole thing!
Cute.
I'm not scared, I swear.
I feel like Snow White.
I'm not scared.
Oh my gosh. They're everywhere. This is like that movie, The Birds. Oh god, is it gonna hurt me? Oh my gosh, it's so loud in my ear. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was thrilling.
That was scary.
Oh, that was that was a little scary, I'm not gonna lie. But well worth the $3. Oh, look, he wants to be my friend.
Ready?
I want to keep him. Oh, that's gross. One just pooped on Ellie. I think I'll just take him with me and go ride some rides. Griffin. Okay, so we just went to the Smokehouse to get a little snack. We got some green beans, got some fried pickles, looks like a really good Cajun sauce. There's nowhere to really sit, so we're kind of just sitting on the ledge right here. Gonna have a little snack. We just went to the Smokehouse. We were looking for that Apollo's Chariot special event birthday cake. It was like a little cupcake, but they said that they were sold out. It's not even that late, so I guess they're not selling all the snacks today, but we got something else just to tie us over until dinner. Headed into Oktoberfest. See if we can find any more treats. Here they go. Looks like the Mock Tower's down today. I wonder why. I don't ride it anyway, but my niece loves it. Okay, so we were going to ride for Bolton and then realized that the wait is over an hour long, so we decided to head to Apollo's Chariot. Didn't want to wait that long for one ride, so we're gonna go see how long this one is. Headed into Italy. Going around the world, and passport required.
Oh, we'll come back. We're on the...
On the hunt for some treats. So beautiful in this section. Gonna go on Apollo's Chariot to celebrate the 20th anniversary. That's 10 pesto right there. Not doing that one. Let's see how long the ride is for here. Okay, we just got off Apollo's Chariot. It's a pretty good ride. Apparently it's the same track as the Mako roller coaster in SeaWorld Orlando, which I like a lot too. But man, I am getting a little queasy. I think we're actually gonna head out, maybe get some dinner around the area and then head back. So it's a pretty good day. All right, so overall it was a really good day. The weather was amazing. It was kind of overcast, which worked out in our favor. We only ride a couple of rides because we were only here for just a couple of hours. We live about an hour away in Richmond, so it's not that bad of a car drive. We didn't really find any of the special event snacks, which was kind of weird. We found the giant donut, which didn't really look that good, and then they were sold out of the cupcake, and we never found the ice cream or the popcorn, but we weren't really looking for the popcorn, so no big deal there. I'm gonna go get some barbecue right now for dinner and head back home. So if you like this video, please give me a like. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. Thanks for coming with me. Until next time.